The next important module of MetaInfoSci is Collabrix. Collabrix came from the word collaboration analysis. So in Collabrix, we have four components: component, centrality network, centrality frequency, and community. The focus on Collabrix is more towards the network analysis, and to reduce the complexity of the network, we focused on only the giant component of the network. So here you can have a two type of analysis, one on the author analysis, one on the country analysis. You can reset the view of your network. You can drag and drop the nodes in the network. You can set the edge width. You can set the node size. You can labeling font. You can increase and download and use. So another part you can look into the second connected component and so on. In centrality network, we have a four kind of measure: degree centrality, closeness centrality, betweenness centrality, and eigenvector centrality. All four centrality measure have their importance. What centrality gives you? It gives us the important or the central nodes in the network. As you can see, the red nodes are the top node, which you can select and deselect from this counter based on the measure. If it is degree, it is based on the number of connection. If it is betweenness, then it is based on um, the bridges inside the network. As you can see, it changes, right? And you can do it for both author and the country. And color scheme, we have a various color schemes available you can use. And the graph layout, four graph layouts are available here. Node colors, you can select highlighted node colors, and you can reset the view if needed. And for the customization, if you want to re set the node color of the highlighted nodes, you can do. And node size, scaling, and the edge width, all you can set and download. And then AI summary about the network. The same kind of network you can generate, as I mentioned, for the country as well as for the author, and select the top and the prominent author. Along with this, we have also provided about the distribution graph of each type of centrality measure and the network. You can take a logarithmic scale or the linear scale, which the x-axis actually gives me, if the degree is selected, the degree of the nodes in the network, which means that number of connection a particular node is having, and the centrality value with the, which actually gives in terms of probability. So you can do it for any sort of centrality measure. So logarithmic scale, you can see it like that. And you can also go with the bar plot, but scatter plot always gives you a picture, right picture, which is giving you a kind of a scale free network kind of here. Again, with the customization, you can increase the label size, tick size, as you know, rotation of the axis, and the title labels you can set. The next option is the communities. So in communities, we worked for actually three types of community: Newman, modularity, and Lovenian. So these all are the network measures you need to understand about before using any of the community method. It based on some similarity values, it gives us the nodes belong to what community. As mentioned, you can drag and drop and reset your network layout. So the same you can do with the authors collaboration in the country. As you can see in the country, you can see the clear uh, community formation, like what based on some measure for here Newman, or you can see the when you use this whole layout will change. So you need to understand. Also, you can control the number of nodes you want to display in your network. So complete customization is provided here. The title, node size, node multiplier. If you increase the node size, you can use a multiplier. Also, you can use the labels and just download the plot of the network. So before using Collabrix, you need to understand the basic methodology of the network science, and you can directly customize your network based on this. So we are up to add more such analysis based on the network under Collabrix. So please stay tuned with the Collabrix updation. And if you have any query, get back to us. Thank you so much.